Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to shoot and edit RAW photos. In the beginning, let's go to Camera app and next go to Settings. Enter More Settings and find RAW JPEG control. Enable it, and now right here in the top left corner you can see RAW. Make sure it's enabled to take RAW photo. This photo is now RAW. To edit it, find the photo and select Edit. Select the RAW editor and now edit the photo as you please. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.